Now, the person that I'm about to bring out right now hails from Khayelitsha, plugs from Eastern Cape, right here to Western Cape. One of Nganyama's representer, Madness.
Yeah. Pride and Ego, Skulu, Madness, CPT. What up? Diazo. Yes. Yo, ey, skadlela hoch, das sengena usikhulu ha, twaka, sibaphinde noch, sifake inombolo like yes, khaka, stili ziploch, mabeqala ukwela, yey ngapha, sifakele isos chaka, laka la rose raka, speaking in tongues, bathi ha, what, dlala igubu, bring on my thugs, khali clock, akuziwa isidumbu, skabhuza lungs with the fuck, spuku, shuffle around in a pot like akusali gugu, ndilithemba lamagqirha isilonda siphola sirhontsho, bathi vumba lempongo liyanuka umsame egqontsho, krwitsha ngomtshoba wenkomo ibhari ikapha ingxoxa, khupha amadliso ngefoxspade enkazana iporha, mena ubhulelwa amasaka, ubhulo nebhulu leplaza, bhukude ubhulelwe phansi, bhubhele ebhedi yebhari, xhonywa ngexhaya exhantini, uxotyula uxhongo nomxhele, xhuzula umkhala ngenxele, bitch! Yeah!
Too long in the game,
I got fuck all of my money back. Too long in the game, never signed a single check. Just me and my fame. Samuhlanganisa ipep, wanna see how I flame. Brother Penjwa ngalipep, thola imali then undibize. Xa unemali wena biza mina, thola imali then ukhipha imali baba, imali lo music. Wanna pay my bills, suka nicinga siyadlala nini. Thola imali then ukhipha imali baba, kodwa when you wanna feature me, I don't care nigga who's who, yet to do what I gotta do. Money drop kule new school, you can hate brother that's cool. Take people them with big pool, yeah yo pande ya mi kung fu. I'ma kick them harder, lana lena good move. Fucking money in the bank, I don't need no war. Money on my bank, I don't need no talk. Fucking mali then I kill the show, till the fences city pin them up. Fucking mali then you told mali cause you cost mali low music. Fucking mali in the bank, I don't need no talk. Fucking mali then on this, then I need no walk. Told mali oh shit, Pride and Ego man. Let's go. Yes. Batabanye mali ends, low life a real. Batabanye mali ends, hlaba jike njengewele. Nami ngifuna imali ends, dinga worry about the bill. Doesn't matter dollar nara brother, man is all that I ever need. Stola bantwana bantofo, impili bentofo, big house and house, no choko. Yonke into mpintshi bemchocho, big bucks ekiwa kama poko. Batu waliphumile inombolo, sikhalele number bakruvo koko. Sijabule cause akekho ugogo, all I need is cash. Cash, money, cash. Never drop like tears, elevating almost stairs. Double get dollar rents. The money's in the bank. Yep. Tell the brother I'ma kick them hard and zerupanda lana when the fools move. Fucking money in the bank. I don't need no war. Money on the bank. I don't need no talks. Fucking money then I kill a show. Till the fences city pin them up. Fucking money then I kill a show. Yep. I say fucking money in the bank. There will be no war. Yep. Money on my bank. What up? I don't need Skulu. Yes. Fucking money then I kill a show. Till the fences city pin them up. Yeah. Let's go. Fucking money in the bank. I don't need no talk. Money on my bank. Let's go. I don't need no talk. Skulu. Fucking money then I kill the show. Yep. Till the fences city pin them up. Yeah. Cause money low music. Fucking money in the bank. Yep. I don't need no war. Money on my bank. I don't need no talk. Fucking money then I kill the show. Till the fences city pin them up. Yep. Skulu. Fucking money in the bank. Yep, Skulu. I don't need no talk, man. Pride and Ego. If you wanna see more fucking money in the bank, bro. Skulu. Man, think on this shit. Pride and Ego. Yeah. Pride and Ego. Skolo. Yeah, what's up? Yeah. 20 whatever. Kanyamba. Ah. What's up? Skolo. Yeah, man. Let's go. Yo, I'm that best dude. And I'm flossing a status humble. I'm shining like the diamond on the sky on my hustle, and I'm damn good. Take my flow, we spin a double. But don't bet umhlaba. Those who die, they call me shuffle. My villa the city. Damn it, your style is kinda flopping. But villa in the city. My style is like it's toothless spongy on top of the beat. She is in Pakami Ponet and all that. My language is Kenny Kunene's wallet. But Kwazana Ngapa, I'm dropping bars on this Mora beast and Gatabanfanga. I'm sending dogs on these homo kids. Nababangapa, they already know I'm the silent kid. I decorate your face on your birthday with the raw feast. Abasazi, Geke Basazi. Let's go. Yes. Abasazi and Geke Basazi. Kanyamba, ride an ego. Let's go. Abasazi, Geke Basazi. Sipembi Nkatazo and Abasazi. Yeah, school man. Let's go. Let's go. Before Ndukshaye ngentiya kid, the only snow boss I smoke. Kumkulo puma speak, you must be snow bros. Goli game yakwi dumengo freeze fika nge full force. Sezo chabalala utandi free kick. I'm Batman. When untaka bumbuku Batman. And things are really gonna be ugly, cause you in wrong turn. So then, since I'm not act, you bring a 10-10. You follow my lead, cause on my back inside the fence and ngoma zamu ihulu wamfo. Kan shubi nombolo, no nongoloze. Icha pants kwa manzi, but they bend fast ezako zikyokololo. Akono konkolo ismoko mfo. Wane sidlo saksasa, they break fast. Abasazi, Geke Basazi. Yo last, let's go. Abasazi and Geke Basazi. Yawni umhlaba banhluthe izikhundla. Abasazi, Geke Basazi. Sipembi Nkatazo. Abasazi, Geke Basazi. I can rap too. You didn't know, I'm telling you now. My raps are kinda short by the time Ngandelelika I can rap soon. But Kalusaba Kakfiki Sauza, I've got too many lines in got in couple and Nesta in my crew. You dealing with the legend, you bloody fool, I got you. You never got the spirit to the attitude. Your come around is totally waste like the hula hoops. Susupi kwi pifu faku aruku zutoli riff. Afam fam akudlalwa pakyakitu. Awuna udelela school ezodlelana nsezosqwitha uyahahama. Kwayunehongwe ndiyathi njengehoki kumhlaba ka metro rail uphela uchithwa. Abasazi, Geke Basazi. Sipembi Nkatazo. Look, Abasazi, Geke Basazi. Lawni bomhlaba banhluthe izikhundla. Abasazi, Geke Basazi. Yo, Sipembi Nkatazo. Abasazi, Geke Basazi. Lawni bomhlaba banhluthe izikhundla. Yeah, Kanyamba representing 2020 and 21. What's up? Pride and ego.
Madness, you know.
Yeah, man. Pride and ego.
Yes, man.
Skulu.
Placa.
Yeah, man. Keeping it real, man. Skulu. Bati Skulu. Yeah, man. What's up? Yeah, man. Yeah. I like it like that. What's up? I like it like that. Scooter.
I had to make a party song.
Yep.
I had to make a party song. I had to make a party song. I had to make a party song.
Yes. Look. Yes. We're cruising around with fellows, better bantwana ba black and yellow. Siyamba ngepolo no black windows asifuni bo hello. Koze kuse no check my booty kola ma kilos. Siswipe ama visas we go short left stop reload. Sifuna ubumnandi mntwana zonke ezimnandi sibuzwa kum. Sheba lesquat intwanas, them these chicks nala vava voom. Zenza se move intwanas, black swaggers like tycoon. Energy booster, boy, bekela where we busting your balloons. Zizinja ze game, no sisibe now. Niggas they gon' hate, we don't care. That shit is so lame. I'm bambo swile my way. Swelu bumnandi, yeah. So push on my haters, I will make it hard. Zizinja ze game, no sisibe now. Niggas they gon' hate, we don't care. That shit is so lame. I'm bambo swile my way. Swelu bumnandi, yeah. So push on my haters, I will make it hard. I had to make a party song. Kuzabantu bazo jive. They've been gone for so long. Shuguma mzanzu zo rise. Sakali smaye mais pala pala. Na inyaga nyaga baby konima. Nali karakara kiwa mpala mpala. Sala sana when I'm joining. Had to make a party song. Kuzabantu bazo jive. They've been gone for so long. Shuguma mzanzu zo rise. Sakali smaye mais pala pala. Na inyaga nyaga baby konima. Nali karakara kiwa mpala mpala. Sala sana when I'm joining. I had to make a party song. 2020. Yo, what's up?
I had to make a party song.
Madness. I had to make a party song. School.
I had to make a party song.
2020. I had to make a party song. I had to make a party song, you know.
I had to make a party song.
Yeah, man. I had to make a party song. Let's go. I had to make a party song. Sangene patini makala mawala mawololo ye. Safike saitati nchinga, ladies dance floor koloko Kwa kwata mablesa masfika, we leave their tables tololo We in the building now, we showing these niggas it's cocos again. Maskiena glonda uzi again. Lapa suspecta my kilograms. Zonga zilungi I'm ready then. Show me your number, got 40 grand. Fully with 10 flock out shiki shake. Naba bandwana kau cheki shake. Red cup, ice dash. Kaleli zero. Wanna shake that booty ass. Alla for she doing. We can throw around the cash. Senze guneti millions. Zizinja ze game. Rossi be now. Niggas they gon' hate. Fuck it, we don't care. That shit is so lame. I'm bambo swile my way. Tina siswelu bumnandi, yeah. So push on my haters, I make it hard. I had to make a party song. I had to make a party song. Yeah. I had to make a party song. Kuzabantu bazo jive. They've been gone for so long. Shuguma mzanzu zo rise. Sakali smaye mais pala pala. Na inyaga nyaga baby konima. Nali karakara kiwa mpala mpala. Sala sana when I'm joining. Had to make a party song. Kuzabantu bazo jive. They've been gone for so long. Shuguma mzanzu zo rise. Sakali smaye mais pala pala. Na inyaga nyaga baby konima. Nali karakara kiwa mpala mpala. Sala sana when I'm joining. Had to make a party song. Kuzabantu bazo jive. They've been gone for so long. Shuguma mzanzu zo rise. Sakali smaye mais pala pala. Na inyaga nyaga baby konima. Nali karakara kiwa pala pala. Sala sana when I'm joining. Had to make a party song. Kuzabantu bazo jive. They've been gone for so long. Shuguma mzanzu zo rise. Sakali smaye mais pala pala. Na inyaga nyaga baby konima. Nali karakara kiwa pala pala. Sala sana when I'm joining. Yeah. Skolo.
Yeah.
Representing.
Yeah. Qalele. Yeah, akwathi umcimbi uphelile. Let's just cut the cords. Sishisa amathambo, silahle insipho. Go to again. Awusho njalo?
Masambini. Masiyeni.
One time. Madness.
Yeah, man.
It doesn't play.
Yeah.
Straight Kanyamba, right?
Yeah.
Let me know more about yourself, man.
Madness, Suge Culture.
Yeah.
Facebook, Madness CPT. What else I can say, man?
Yes.
I'm this.
Yeah. Alright, the one.
Yeah.
Kasixelele man about what's so different about your sound, yabo? Because I can tell sound yakho goes to like the Kanyama version type of music where you go deep, sasixhosa sinzulu, you understand?
Sure.
So, yabo, I want to know what's your association like. Sometimes I can tell that, are you a solo artist or are you still associated now?
Solo artist.
Solo artist?
Yeah, I'm a solo artist.
Okay, no, I understand that.
Yeah.
So yeah, man.
Yeah, so music wami bra, otherwise it's a copy tape ngoku
Alright.
ethi Pride and Ego. So from that Pride and Ego,
Yeah.
from that deep and yeah,
Yeah.
you see, I'm coming from an era bra, too deep and hardcore, yabo. So where you cannot rap phezu kwe BTA house, awuno rapper phezu kwe BTA trap, awuno icula into ethile, awuno tin. So from that Pride and Ego, actually Pride, yabo, ye MCs, actually yethu, yabo. So mna ndiyayiswala yonke le way. Apho kukho imali, ndenza nantoni na. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that, bro.
Yeah, it's too versatile, man. Too versatile. So I know you have got like a fan base in Eastern Cape, man. You understand, and you've been doing moves, you know, but most of the moves you not see. That's why sometimes you what's that word again? You mustn't judge a book by its cover.
Yeah.
You understand? You don't know. You know. It just surprised me. You understand? But thank you very much for coming through.
Thank you, man.
You understand? Sharp. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As you heard it from yourself. Nuga matambo, which is guys. You understand? So, next artist is about to come through. I don't gotta say much, man. We bringing it back up at Cooks. You understand? Sisai 3 sec. Last 2 X's from a 3 sec. You understand? I'm gonna have a little conversation after the performance, you know? It's something that y'all gotta hear. Let's come through. Let's do.